How to create a Crunchyroll account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, you can either download Crunchyroll application in order to sign up, or even better, you can use a web browser. In my case, I'm opening Chrome application. At the top search bar, type in Crunchyroll account sign up. You will see register for Crunchyroll. Open it. At this section, it will direct you onto a page like this. Here under email address, type in your email address which you would like to register with your Crunchyroll account, and lastly, create a strong password. Once it is so, tap on create account. And just as it is so, your account has been created. You can go ahead and explore more, search for any movies you would like to watch. If you would like to access your account, tap on this drop down menu. It will show you your name, and you can also go ahead and make some edits if you would like to do so. And now a verification email will be sent to the email address that you have entered while creating an account. So simply go ahead and open that and confirm your email address. And just like so, this is how you can create yourself a free Crunchyroll account. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.